Dear SOED students, Taylor's University continues to plan the safe return of students to the campus. The health and safety of our learning community are of utmost importance to us, and we believe that with the new guidelines and precautions in place, we can deliver a high-quality learning experience. It will be our collective responsibility to make sure that we protect ourselves and one another by following the health and safety SOP. The goals of these guidelines are to reduce the likelihood of COVID-19 transmission and to ensure the safety, health, and welfare of all Taylor students and staff. These guidelines focuses primarily on venues frequented and activities done by SOED students. It does not cover commercial outlets in shops, malls, as well as other activities and venues. The detailed SOP for these can be found on Taylor's Connect. In general, the new normal consists of temperature screening, hygiene measures with the use of soap and hand sanitizers, cleaning and disinfection at all venues where activities are conducted, wearing a face mask which is mandatory on campus, as well as physical distancing of at least 1 meter apart. There are certain procedures one needs to follow when entering into campus. Campus operating hours are from 7:30 a.m. until 10 p.m. You must complete health declaration form prior to entering campus, which can be done via Taylor's mobile app. Present the receipt of declaration to security when entering into campus. It's important to remember that this health declaration is valid only until 11:59 p.m. on the day of submission. At designated entry points, there will be temperature screening. Students with symptoms will be denied entry. Face masks must be worn at all times when you are in campus. Please remember the general rules for entry to campus. The 3 general rules are: masks must be worn at all times. Pre-plan your trip to campus by ensuring that you submit your health declaration form before entering the campus, as well as body temperature will be checked at each security checkpoint. Entry to Lakeside campus for students with physical classes. The program director will publish schedules for the duration of the semester. Students must complete the health declaration form and go through security check, which will allow them to enter into campus. Entry into Lakeside campus for students requiring Wi-Fi or study space. Students must submit requests to Campus Central to obtain approval email prior to going to the campus. They must complete the health declaration form on the day of going into campus, as well as going through the security check to allow them to enter into the campus. For postgraduate research students who require to use either labs or the postgraduate lounge and study rooms, you must register before going into campus. You must then complete the health declaration form on the day of going into the campus, and finally go through security check, which will allow you to enter into the campus. Physical distancing rules apply to all activities and all venues. Some venues may remain closed until they are progressively reopened. Please adhere to these physical distancing rules while you are at campus. There are also physical distancing measures at all these places in lecture theatres, campus central counters, waiting area, library common area, discussion area, library group study area, and library counter. For any questions or further information, please contact Campus Central. We are all looking forward to seeing you again. In the meantime, keep safe and well, everyone.